All right. It's your boy PFS Tib with Deep South Trading LLC. Woo! Today's Friday, 10/21. We started that take profit yesterday. Made about 475 yesterday. And we made about 700 today.
reversing.
Our account balance is at 76175. 76175. Let's see, after commissions we're looking at 76155. So made 683.68 after commissions today. So we're up about what, 1100 bucks. All right, day two's going good. Let's take a look, see where our trade entries were at. All right, here we go. I entered it a little late. I was having some issues this morning. My chart and Rithmic weren't synced up for some reason. My data was a little delayed. I had to do a couple of reboots and so forth. I was trying to get in down here off the VWAP and the previous day's low. Had a good signal. I like this area here. We went through SD1, come up through SD2.
Enter ES.
And I'll show you my smaller time chart frame in a minute. So we got in here. Actually, I got in with two contracts. I didn't get filled. I hit it again, and before I could delete the other two, it got me in. So entered with a total of 4. That's not normal. 2's usually my standard
Enter
entry.
ES reversing.
My target was the pivot. I didn't get to move my stop, my target back far enough. I got it set for 5 points
reversing.
right now. So anyway, we got close to it. It was a one and done. I was glad. So could have looked for a reject off this pivot also, or see what it was going to do. All right,
ES reversing.
Smaller time frame. So I take my entries off the 10 range. Alright, so what happened was when we came up to SD2 and we basically bounced off of it, so I was looking to get in long after this bar. We pulled back a little bit, and that's when I got in that second entry. That was around 88ish. I was looking to get in, and my first target was about 96. So you can see I got 93 and a quarter, 91.75 on my exit, so that was pretty good. Could have took a short off this pivot. Didn't really didn't give me the short like I wanted. My entry would have been here. That's at 93.50. You know, just would have been taking some short trades on that. But this is pretty much slop chop right here.
Enter ES.
Enter ES, baby. Let's see.
Enter ES.
Alright, we made a double bottom here. I do like this double bottom. I was looking at this on my chart with my levels. Got a nice little double bottom. We pull back to the 50. We'll slightly break the pivot.
ES reversing.
I would have taken that. I would have taken that as a reject. So, let's see what time that is. That's at 9:53. All right, yeah. Okay. So anyway, we had some really nice moves this morning, as you can see. Really nice. So let me add something here real quick. I don't have my pivots on my other chart. All right, there we go.
Enter ES.
ES reversing.
Enter ES.
ES reversing.
Well, ES is talking a lot this morning. Alright, now I got it. Alright, so even once we came above it, broke here, you know, I like that. That's also another good area. Just went sideways. You'd have had to been cautious. But you're looking from 0175 to 14. I do like this entry. Got a couple of other signals. These would have just been continuation trades because we don't have any blue dots. This is SD2. Continued up. We reject R1. We'd have went short here. If we'd have waited for confirmation, we'd have went short here at 21. And I mean, we're down to 01. So I have R1 and I also have a level. I'm looking at around 23.25 to short. And we're just basically sitting on the 50 EMA right now. So just a waiting game, see what happens from here. Alright, so actually we broke through to 50. I'm sorry, apologies here. So we could have took this entry when we broke the little brown lines to 50. This would have given us another continuation entry here. On this bar. I do like this short here. 13, back down to the pivot. Excuse me. Alright, you can see our
Enter
ADX
ES.
down here. You know, we're showing us we're trending. We needed to break above this 25 level, continuing the trend. You get this little hesitation,
ES reversing.
which we get this pullback here. You know, great for short. ADX goes green again. Let's get in it. Alright, reject.
ES reversing.
Order filled.
Alright, let's see if this thing continues. This could just be a retrace and a
Enter ES.
continuation down. I'm not going to let it go far against me.
ES reversing.
Enter ES.
Yeah, we're just going sideways here. Let's see. Come on. Pop up, baby.
ES reversing.
I'd like to see that 80 MA go positive. Alright, there we go. We just went positive. Not much. Gonna give it much wiggle room here. I think we're gonna go, actually I'm not gonna give it much wiggle room at all. Get out right here. If we get there. If not, take a
Enter
small
ES.
loss.
Stop filled.
Stop. Alright. I'm good with that. I'd rather take the short side anyway.
ES.
Enter ES.
Order filled.
There we go.
Target filled.
Well, I didn't get to move that.
ES reversing.
Give it a little wiggle room.
Enter ES.
See what the Big Daddy chart's telling me.
Enter ES.
3685 is the next level I'm looking for. I'll leave that right there. Alright, if we don't break lower here, I'm going to probably just call it a day on this trade. All we're doing is just going sideways. I'm going to break
ES
even.
15.
Alright, ES 15's changing. Let's see what's going on with ES 15.
Stop filled.
Alright, we got stopped on that one.
Enter ES.
Alright. Get rid of text and markers. Kind of clean it up. Alright, I'm not going to take the long
ES
one
reversing.
here. I mean, I got a signal, but I don't have a dot.
Enter
If I
ES.
had a dot, I'd rather take it. Don't have it. I do have a dot on the 610. Seems like we could have got a quick 5 points out of that, but hey, it's all good.
ES reversing.
Order submitted. Order filled.
ES reversing.
Rejected off that SD1. I was a little late on my entry. It actually hit it twice, so.
Enter ES.
Looks like we're just going sideways, so I'm not going to get it, probably get another trade until we break out of this little area. Should have waited till my ADX came below 25 and reloaded, but hindsight's 20/20. And we're just bouncing off that pivot. We just can't seem to break away from it.
ES reversing.
Enter ES.
ES reversing.
Enter ES.
Alright, we had a failure here. So if we give a short signal here, this could be a tsunami and take off and run with us.
ES reversing.
Let's see what we get
ES
here.
reversing.
Come on, ES. Keep reversing, baby. Come on down. COD. What I don't like is it looks like we're moving upward, so.
ES reversing.
Alright. Come a little line. Just waiting for an arrow on the bigger time frame here on the 1597. Got it. Cha-ching, cha-ching.
Stop filled.
Well, I guess I should have been a little quicker and took some profit. Cha-ching, cha-ching. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's roll.
Stop filled.
That's good. 550. I'll take it. That's in Sim. There it goes. Alright. Looks like we're breaking out that box. Let's see if we get to 85, and then I'm probably call this video a day. Just want to share my results for the day. So yesterday was 475. Today 683.
Enter ES.
I know in the past when I trade around pivots, I usually take some losses, so I have to be careful because I want to go short here, then I want to go long here, short here, long here, short here, and that hasn't worked well for me in the past. Just saying. I mean, we're in a major downtrend. Shouldn't have tried to take a long here.
Enter ES.
Should have just waited for the short signal here. Alright, let's see. So I have a level at, what I said that was? 84.75. Let's see if we hit it. And then VWAP's at 36.80 and a quarter. That would be, you know, my target after this level. We're about to break that 25, so we could see a continuation. I was looking to see where previous lows were. All right, well, we hit the target. So I've
Enter
been out.
ES.
Next area is 36.65. That was from earlier this morning. Had a little double bottom there. Around 36.60. Which was VWAP.
ES reversing.
But let's see if we hold that VWAP.
ES reversing.
Some
Enter ES.
other levels at 37.04. So what I'm looking for is a rotation. Looking for rotation back up to this level. Now, if we only come so far and we roll back short, like at the pivot, I would short that again or here. But we did get an up error. We got our dots. 9's pointing up, but smaller time frame if we'd have got in here. I don't have any dots, but 88. Almost 5 points. Actually it was. So you'd have got 4 3/4, but
Enter
if
ES.
we rotate down, I'd prefer to take the short
ES
and us
reversing.
break this level here at 84.75.
ES reversing.
But at 84.75, 85 area, we hit it twice this morning at 9:48 and 9:51 Eastern. And then
Enter ES.
we broke through it at 9:45. This could be a continuation down.
Enter ES. Enter ES.
But MACDs are up. Stokes not really.
ES reversing.
It's not really giving us signals. Looks like it just wants to chop around. See if we're going to head back into that box.
ES reversing.
We're back in the box.
Enter ES.
Alright guys, I'm going to go a couple of more minutes, then I'm going to shut it off.
ES reverse.
We're about
ES
20
reversing.
minutes. As you can hear, we keep getting multiple signals, just basically kind of going sideways.
Enter ES.
So now I have a mid-level at 91
ES reversing.
and a quarter. We need a breakthrough.
ES reversing.
So I have my regular trading hour targets, and then I have this mid, or this ID level, it's called. ID mid, yeah.
Enter ES.
See, these dots mean some hesitation. There's a little too much hesitation.
Enter ES.
Order filled. Target.
I was a little late to the party. I wanted to get in right at the top of this bar.
Stop filled.
Okay. Thought maybe we're just going to run right through that pivot and go up to that 3704 area. But didn't happen. So, do have the 200 here. You can see that 200 and the pivot. So, price is going to do something around here, and then it'll make up its mind which direction. So, all right, everybody have a great weekend.
Enter ES.
I didn't get to take any
Enter
option
ES.
trades. I missed the breakout on the SPY this morning, or the SPX. The 15-minute opening range was a beauty. So 36, 66, 81. And I mean, that thing shot up to 37.15. So 3,666 and 81 cents to 37.15.25.
Enter ES.
But,
Enter ES.
it was a nice one.
ES reversing.
But I was having some chart issues and some data issues. So, all right, let's everybody have a great weekend. We're gonna come back Sunday evening, see what's happening. Probably Monday morning. I do work Sunday night and Monday night. I will try to get a trade
Enter
in for take
Enter
profit.
ES.
Trying to beat that November 4th deadline. But no pressure. If I do good, if I don't, still good. I like this area. I like because we broke the low of this bar. So let's see what's gonna happen if it's gonna continue. Your entry would have been around 92. We're at the bottom of the regression channel on the 610. See, our regression channel here is just sideways.
Enter ES.
You know, here's the bottom top. So you can see we're still in a box.
Enter ES.
I mean, we We've just been going sideways. So pivot is your highs, and this area is your lows. This 84, 85 area. All right.
Enter ES.
Later, guys. Have a good one.
ES reversing.